What's the difference between Minä luen kirjaa and Minä luen kirjan? In Finnish, there's a difference between the partitive, and the accusative. I'll give you an example of I'm reading a book versus I read a book, the whole book. So Minä luen kirjaa expresses that you read a book, or you're reading a book, or you will read a book. And Kirjaa is in the partitive because the action is not completed. So this basically means I read some of the book. It doesn't comment on whether or not you finished the book. Whereas Minä luen kirjan means I read a book, or I will read a book from cover to cover. And here we have the accusative, which looks exactly like the genitive. And it's this form because the action will be completed. The book will be finished. What about the negative sentence? Minä en lue kirjaa. You can see it's in the partitive now. And that's because the verb is negative. So whenever you have this, I don't read a book, I'm not reading a book, I won't read a book, whether or not you're commenting on reading the whole book or some of the book, you will always have the partitive in the negative sentence. This is quite a simple example, but this should give you the explanation of one of the crucial differences between the accusative and the partitive in the Finnish language.